How are you doing, guys? So tonight I've come out on a budget camp, under £150, everything. So I've just in my local town, I'm going to go and find a little patch somewhere to set up and see what this kit's like. But yeah guys, for £150, get tent, sleeping bag, stove, sleep mat, and a backpack to put it all in. So all you're going to need is a bottle of water, guys, something to warm your food up with, take a pot noodle out or something, and it's ready to go, ready to welcome. I'll bring this back soon. I'm nearly at the place now, guys. I'm going to get the tent set up. Give you a show around what items we can get for 150, well, under £150. How are you doing, guys? So I'm just coming up to where I'm going to pitch this tent. I'm not going to be camping out in it tonight. I'm just going to be showing you what you can get for £150. I will have a bite to eat and a little chill out down here. Might even have a little nap before the tide comes back in. So I'm just going to look for a place on the beach. Just set the tent up down here and just give you guys a little show around, see what you can get for your money. And if anyone's thinking of starting wild camping, I would highly recommend you do. You get out into the wild, and yeah, it might not be for you, but for £150, it's not a lot to really lose, is it? You could definitely pass the equipment on to other people too, if it's not for you as well. Which is what I'm going to be doing in this video. The backpack what I have on, like I say, under £150. I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys. All I'll need you to do is just like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'd be appreciated if you give it a share on your social media as well, just to try and grow the Lone Wolf. I want to try and do more of this stuff. And like I say, this £150 giveaway could soon turn up to £1,000, £2,000 giveaway. Wouldn't mind giving away a Hilleberg or a Durston X-Mid, something like that. Atom Pack backpack with a Durston X-Mid, trying to do like an ultralight kit. A few grand setup. Oh, be nice to do that, guys. Nice to give away. Nice to give back as well to people. So yeah, there'll be no tickets, no purchase, just a genuine free giveaway, guys. And all I'm going to need you to do is just like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're viewing this on TikTok now, just pop over there. It's the Lone Wolf 1992. Down it goes. So yeah, Lone Wolf 1992. Get over to the YouTube, drop us a comment. Yeah, just put anyone comments on this video, you'll be in with the chance of winning it. Even if you don't want to win it, I'll put your name down for a draw. It's the only way of getting around this and not making it profitable. Like I say, it's going to be a giveaway. I'll farm a patch. I'm going to set this up, guys, and I'll get back to you in a second and give you a show around the inside of the tent, the sleep mat, sleeping bag, and what cook system I've got as well. Like I say, this is a full gear load out, guys, for £150, under £150. Yeah, one of you lucky guys are going to get to win it as well for free. So give me a minute, guys, and I'll get it set up for you. Right, guys, the backpack what I'm using is the Free Night. It's a 50 litre. Like I say, super cheap bag, £26.99. Yeah, it's got all the compartments that you need. Plenty of room inside. I've actually managed to fit the tent inside of this. This is just my jacket on the outside. That doesn't come with the pack. So yeah, let's get this unboxed and show you what's in here. To start off with the Mountain Warehouse tent, this was £24.99. It's a 2-man tent. It's got a hydrostatic head of 1,500 millimeters. It's tape seamed, it's lightweight. It comes with fiberglass poles, that's the only downside, but doesn't seem too bad. Mountain Warehouse kit. For cooking, we've got the 800ml and 300ml pot and pan set. Also comes with a knife and fork and a spoon as well. Cooking with, we've got a Coleman gas tin and a quick set. You also get a nice little headlamp to go with that as well, guys. So the gas bottle's £11.99 and the cook set's £22. The sleep mat that we have, the sleep mat's only £16.99, guys. This thing comes with a pillar already built in, so you don't have to pack one of those to keep the weight down. And as you see, guys, super small. Next to my water bottle. And then the sleep bag, it's just a 2 to 3 season sleep bag. Like I say, it's summertime now, so we're not really going to be wanting to keep super warm. Conditions aren't going to get too bad. So yeah, this is only £14.99, this sleeping bag, guys. Like I say, that's just about everything what will come with the pack. And also, I'll chuck in one of these meals and they're £4.99. So the full kit's around £147, guys, and this is going to be everything that you need for to get set up, keep a shelter, have a bite to eat while you're out, keep warm if you need to with the sleeping bag. And yeah, cook some food up. £150, guys. I don't think you can go too far wrong, to be honest with you. I'm going to get this set up and give you a show around inside. There's plenty of guy out points on this little tent, guys. Might actually be a more solid tent than I thought. But I do have the tide coming in, so I think, guys, all I'm going to do is just going to move us up to there, just get off these banks. I'll go and set the tent up there and get all of this set up inside now. It's quite impressive. Yeah, guys, plenty of room inside of here. A little mansion. Let's get the vent up at the back. Plenty of room. My feet are right down to the bottom now. Not a bad tent, guys. One of you will be happy with this. Whoa. Yeah, and I think we'll be able to pull this out and use this for the ground sheet too, and the vestibule's closed up. Not a bad tent, guys. Not a bad tent. So yeah, best of wishes from the Lone Wolf. I hope one of you guys get to win this. Send me a video of you out in the field trying it out. Yeah? Very much, guys.